Hi friends, welcome to the Modern Learning. Today we're going to learn how to write a cover letter for any job. So let's get started. Let's first find out what is a cover letter. A cover letter is a single page letter that you include with your job application. Or we can also say that a cover letter is a document attached to a job application designed to introduce the candidate in a more personal way. Now, what is the purpose of a cover letter? Let's check out. There are several reasons hiring managers request cover letters and job applicants should write them. For example, the cover letter can provide additional, more personal information, or it expresses your interest in the position, it shows your knowledge about the company, and it proves that you understand the needs of the company. So friends, whenever you write a cover letter, keep these 4 important tips in your mind. Tip number 1. Make sure that there are no spelling, grammar, or punctuation mistakes. Tip number 2. Be polite, professional, and courteous. Tip number 3. Include your direct contact details on your cover letter, including your mobile number and email. Tip number 4. Include several key strengths in your cover letter that prove to the hiring manager that you'll be able to add value to their company. Now let's check out cover letter format with an example. First, you are going to write your address on the top left corner, and then the company's address under that. Then write down the main body like this. Dear Sir or Madam, I'm writing to apply for the job position as posted on your website career page. I'm applying for this role because it is a job I can both excel in and perform to a very high standard. Having researched your organization in detail, I've been attracted to your strong track record of achievement. In addition to being an exceptional communicator and collaborator, I'm the type of person who understands how important my performance in this role will be to the success of your organization. I'm available for an interview at short notice and can be contacted via any of the details above. Thank you for considering my application. And then yours faithfully, and insert your full name here. So friends, this is how your cover letter should look like at the end. So friends, this was all about how to write a cover letter for any job. If you like the video, just give a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. See ya!